Okay, so let's now take this to the next step. So next we want to find the intersection point of two lines algebraically. So again, these are the same two lines we just found. And to find an intersection point algebraically, you're finding the intersection of two lines. You're finding the point where these two lines meet, where they cross each other. And notice, since when we wrote our equations, although we started with point-slope form, since we wrote them in slope-intercept form, secondly, notice that both of these equations are equal to y. Since both are equal to y, we can set them equal to each other. So I can say that 2x minus 2 is equal to negative 1/2 x plus 11 over 2. And I want to solve this equation. So I need to get my terms all on the same side. So I'm going to get all my x terms on the left and all my numbers on the right. So I'm going to add 1/2 x. So I'll have 2x plus 1/2 x. I'm going to add 2 to both sides to get 11 halves plus 2. Now I could go through and get a common denominator and deal with fractions, but a nice thing about dealing with equations is that as long as you do the same thing on the left and on the right, you can do whatever you want. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 2, the entire sides, not just one term, but the entire sides, because then I'm going to get 2 times 2x gives me 4x, plus 2 times 1/2 gives me 1, so I'm left with x. So see, I got rid of my fraction there. Equals, distribute that 2 in, 11 halves times 2 is 11, plus 2 times 2 is 4. So now I don't have to deal with those fractions, which is kind of nice. So I get 5x equals 11 plus 4 is 15, and I get, if I divide by 5, that's a 5. Divide by 5 on both sides now. Wow, I promise that's a 5. I will get x equals 3, the x value of the intersection point. But that's only part of it. I still need to find the y value. But remember that both of these equations were written in terms of y. The first one was y equals 2x minus 2. So I need to take that value 3 and I need to plug it in for x there to get y equals 2 times 3 minus 2. So y equals 6 minus 2 is 4. So I've found the ordered pair that represents this point, 3, comma, 4. So they seemed like super ugly equations, and then you get this super nice intersection point. Yay!